Have these videos helped you realize there truly is a way to cut your advertising costs? All the way down to zero. Can you build bigger profits if you do the same? Are you starting to see the light? The profits you made in the past went to pay for your adverts. Just like mine did. For me, that is now in the past. I don't need to pay for any advertising, but I drive thousands of people to watch my YouTube videos, where they see my offers. What about my business? Is it making profits? In the past, my big websites made some income, but not enough to excite me. Certainly too little compared with the amount of work required. I was working long days, every day. Today things are different. Very different. Just eliminating the advertising costs made a big improvement. Up to that time, advertising expenditure was the big overhead. I spent more on advertising space than anything else. And it was forever an increasing overhead. I worked for years to make those websites attract more readers. If I could achieve that, then more of them would buy from me. It never happened. If I had taken a serious look at the reality of what was happening, I would have stopped them years earlier. The problem was that I had those websites to make sales. I just needed to find some way to reduce the workload and increase the sales. Sometimes it is difficult to find a way to achieve what you know needs to be done. That is the situation I found myself in. But I had some good products and they were selling, slowly. I felt there was potential for good income somewhere. I just was not in the right place. Until eventually I found the solution. For a long time I had known there were problems that absolutely had to be dealt with. It took time to see how that could be done. That is where I discovered how to get my promotional videos at the top of YouTube without paying for any advertising. To drive people to watch them. It all takes place within hours. Not days or weeks or months. All the traffic to my landing pages was then free traffic. It wasn't costing me a single cent for driving traffic to my offers. It had taken so long, with such a lot of thinking, planning and hard work developing the concept, that I was going to keep it underground. My own hidden secret ways to bigger profits. I would make money online without paying for advertising. Nothing, not even a single cent. You will learn how I did it in the final 2 videos from this special series. I hope you have enjoyed the journey so far. Perhaps it is similar to your own experience, of never really making enough money online. That is worth all the time and effort you put in. If you stopped the advertising costs, would that help you make more money? Would all your hard work and expenditure in the past now start to show the rewards you deserve? Then watch the next 2 videos, where I reveal the most important information you might ever see, about how to make money online. You will discover there are ways to get started with no money and with no investment. And how to drive more traffic to your offers pages.